Hello friends, today we will discuss one of world's most strategic seas, South China Sea, which you will see in news throughout the year for one or other regions. It holds one of the most tremendous strategic importance because of many regions. Many times I have said in my all lectures, strategic. First, know what's meaning of strategic. If anything or any asset, if anything or any asset, if has its multiple advantages, and that too for long period of time, we call them strategic. Even those things, if have potential advantages for in future, in coming days, we call them strategic. So why South China Sea is strategic? So because first, it has huge oil and natural gas reserves. It is supposed believed that beneath it there is a huge reserves of oil and natural gas. So it has potential resource. Okay, second, it is an important ecosystem with diverse maritime life. Okay, it has a fishing zone, world's most important, one of the important fishing zone. Okay, which is very crucial for the food security of the millions of Southeast Asian nations. So, and third, and which is the most important, one third of the world's shipping passes through this sea. Okay, so that's why it holds tremendous strategic significance. Okay, so it's a shipping line, its reserves of oil and natural gases, important for fishings. So it holds a strategic significance. So now let's see what are the, and as it is strategic sea, so let's see what are the countries that borders South China Sea. So let's start. So this is the first country, China. Okay, this is the mainland China. So this is the first country, China. Then we will see clockwise all the countries. Then this is the second country, Taiwan. Okay, and then here this is third country, Philippines. Okay, and here you are seeing this is called Borneo Island. This is very, I will separately discuss all the island, but let's see. This is Borneo Island. It contains three countries. One is Indonesia, second is Malaysia. Okay, Malaysia, this part also Malaysia, and here you are seeing third country is Brunei. Okay, a small country, very tiny country, Brunei. So it holds three countries. So China, Taiwan, Philippines, Brunei, Malaysia, as well as Indonesia. Okay, this part is Indonesia. Then Singapore. Okay, again Malaysia, and then Vietnam. So, and China. So we completed all the countries surrounding the South China Sea. Let's explore something more. What is the geopolitics of South China Sea? Okay, so we will see some of the most important islands of South China Sea. Okay, but before that, let's see something different. Let us take some different perspective. So see, this is the Taiwan Strait. This is the Taiwan Strait. Okay, and this is a Taiwan. So let's see first of the boundaries of South China. So what are the boundaries of South China Sea? Okay, so the first boundary in north is Taiwan Strait. So north of Taiwan is East China Sea. Okay, this is East China Sea, but south of Taiwan begins South China Sea. Okay, then this is Luzon, yeah, Luzon Island, which is the largest island of Philippines. Okay, and then you are seeing Borneo Island, which is the largest island of Southeast Asia or South China Sea. It is the largest island of this region, even largest island of Pacific Ocean. Let's check it. And then here you are seeing this is Sumatra Island, which is the largest island of what, Indonesia. But the northern boundary is this strait of Taiwan, and there is a strait, very famous strait. This is called Malacca Strait. Okay, it lies between Sumatra Island and Malay Peninsula. I will later zoom it. But and there is a, here is also a strait. Okay, let me show you some so that you have better understanding. Here is also a strait. Okay, which connects South China Sea to Java Sea. So this strait is called Karimata Strait. So three strait I said, Taiwan Strait connects East China Sea with South China Sea, and between China, mainland China and Taiwan. Then I said second strait, this is Karimata Strait, which connects South China Sea, Java Sea, which is between this Sumatra Island of Indonesia and Borneo Island. And third I see, this is the Malacca Strait, which connects South China Sea with Andaman Sea. Okay, and it's between Sumatra Island and Malay Peninsula. Malay Peninsula contains basically 4 countries. Okay, let me zoom so that I can make it more clear. This is the Malay Peninsula and it contains 4 countries. What are those 4 countries? This is the Malay Peninsula. So this portion is Myanmar. Okay, and this portion, you are seeing, this portion is of Thailand and this portion is of Malaysia. So, and here is very small island country, that is Singapore. Okay, so basically Malay Peninsula contain 3 countries: Myanmar, Thailand and Malaysia, and Singapore is an island country. So, and okay, at this you are seeing Malaysia to this portion, this land. So it is almost boundary between Gulf of Thailand and South China Sea. So let's see. I think you have marked the boundary of South China Sea. Okay, see, this is the South China. I am just encircling South China Sea so that you can better understand. Okay, South China Sea. So this whole region is South China Sea. Okay, this whole region is South China Sea. This whole region. Let's make it. Okay, this is your South China Sea.